In today's mobile-first world, responsive design isn't optional. It's essential. Elementor provides tools to preview and tweak your design for different screen sizes. At the top of the editor, select desktop, tablet, or mobile to see how the layout changes. You can adjust column widths, font sizes, and spacing for each device, ensuring that your content remains appealing and user-friendly. Keep images lightweight and consider removing non-essential elements for smaller screens to maintain speed and clarity. By proactively designing for responsiveness, you'll create a seamless experience that retains visitors on any device, from smartphone to large desktop monitor.
Need more help? New Target's tailor-made support plans have you covered. Learn more at newtarget.com.